दाखिल है। तिरछी उन्नीस।
तुम्हारी तरफ चलता, सीधा जा।
मैं उतर रहा है।
तिरछी उन्नीस
Heavy monsoon rains have turned the streets of Nowshera into rivers. Behind us, you can see yet another rescue boat making its way through what used to be the main bazaar. Water is still rising, and authorities say more rain is on the way.
Yes, and according to district officials, more than